Examiner. This is B. Namitha from 8th standard. Respected Principal of Little Stars High School and Shekhar sir, and Correspondent of Little Stars High School Anil sir, and respected all staff teachers and my dear brothers and sisters. Once again a pleasant good morning to all. And today my topic is about caste discrimination. Caste discrimination is a cruel social issue in our society. And we find this caste discrimination in our rural areas. Mostly we find this caste discrimination in rural areas. And caste discrimination was done by the higher caste and by the lower caste. And the higher caste people always dominates and behaves cruel with the lower caste people. And the people who belongs to the lower caste are called untouchables and scheduled caste persons, and also they called as the Dalits. And the higher caste people behave cruel and they behave very badly. And also this caste discrimination was done in rural areas very badly, and also in every places this caste discrimination was done in schools, in villages, in etc. Mostly the caste discrimination was in olden days. The caste discrimination was reduced nowadays after the constitution. The caste discrimination was more in 1990s, and after the constitution the caste discrimination was reduced. In schools, mostly the caste discrimination was more. The children of lower caste were discriminated by the teachers and also the students. The teachers mostly in schools were belongs to Brahmins. Mostly the teachers are Brahmins in olden days, and the Brahmins have only right to teach the children in olden days. And the Brahmins were discriminated the children who belongs to the lower caste and scheduled caste children, and the girls who belongs to the lower caste. The teachers asked to the children to clean the surroundings and clean the toilets. One thing which was done in our society in olden days, and they were treated very badly. And also while teaching the classes, the lower caste people do not allowed into the classes, and they were sat separately. And in some schools in olden days, the children who belongs to the lower caste were stood out of the class and they listened classes. And one of our great leaders known as Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and he was also belongs to a lower caste, but he studied well and he stood out of the class and he listened classes and he written Constitution of the India, and he was known as the Union Law Minister, and he stood out of the class and he studied under the street lights, and now he written the Constitution of India. And also we want to now after the constitution we are all equal, and all the caste people were treated equally after the constitution. And also many prominent leaders were fought for the equality between the caste. Not only caste, in religions and in many kinds of things, the leaders fought against the higher caste. The lower caste people always work under the lower caste people always work under the higher class people has slavery and worked very hard under the people. The people who belongs to the higher caste behaved very badly over the lower caste people, and also in many ways the higher caste people treated very badly, and also in many ways. And in hotels, in some kind of hotels, there is a system known as two-plate system. The scheduled caste people were separated and they sit on the ground, and they have separate places. And also the people who belongs to the higher caste have separate place and they sit on the chair. See, such a cruel thing which was done with the different difference of a higher caste and lower caste. They were treated differently in many causes, higher caste and lower caste, and also in many ways they were treated badly, and also that the lower caste people do not have right to take water from the well. If they take water, the higher caste people can kill them, and also the lower caste people do not have right to sit equal to the higher caste, and they were treated in many ways, and the lower caste people do not have right to go in temples, and they were not equal to the higher class people. And after the constitution, we are equal, and the lower caste people have a right to question the higher caste person. And why they are questioning now? Because they were equal, so they were getting education equally, so they were questioning the higher caste person.